Hello everyone. So today in this video we will discuss about how you can add a plugin in your WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website and you have to go to plugins and then add new. So here you need to search the plugin name. So for example we will download Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, so just type Yoast SEO and it will show you the list. Okay, so from here we need to click on install now button, and this Yoast SEO plugin is start installing. So it depends on the speed of your internet, and after a few seconds it will be installed and then you need to activate it. So right after activating or clicking on this activate button, this plugin is ready to use. So now Yoast SEO is successfully installed in your WordPress website. Later in a video we will discuss about how you can configure Yoast SEO, like how you set up webmaster in Yoast SEO settings. So check the link in description box for other configuration videos. So thank you.